Just to make this fun even more interesting, I'm going to show female characters that could count as her Disney princess. Here we go. Harem. Imagine harem girlfriend would be Elsa because they both have incredible leadership skills. They are huge softies for those they care about, can be serious or goofy, and they both actively face journeys to love and staying true to themselves. Jean. Jean girlfriend would be Belle for multiple reasons. First, their good looks are a given, but they both are also very caring, clever, and have their moments of insecurity. Sugar. Sugar girlfriend would be Merida from Brave because the two had arguments with their parents to do what they love and be who they want to be. Despite the arguments, they both still love and respect their parents regardless. They also have three younger brothers who they love even if they get difficult. J-Hope. Hobby girlfriend would be Princess Hannah because they both care a lot about those they consider family and always want to keep them smiling. They also can be quite scary when angry, but they both have amazing leadership skills as well as fun sides that people just feel comfortable around them. Jimin. Jimin girlfriend would be Tiana because we hear of their stories starting when they both work extremely hard to get results that they want for a larger dream. Along their journeys, they discover it's okay to let loose and to have fun to release stress. They grow abundantly and eventually discover love for others and for themselves is really all they need. Honestly, I admire both of these people so much and it just fit. V girlfriend would be Jane because they both have a sweet, tender side. They have a special place in their hearts for nature. And they both do things their own way. They also have pretty great relationship with their parents. Jungkook girlfriend would be Rapunzel because they both are super talented like they can cook, draw, clean, playing games, fighting and more. They both also looks really great in long hair. If we are being honest here, but more importantly they both have a strong attitude and care for those who raise them as well as those who show them the things about the world.